Good morning. Today topic is loopings. Looping statements in C. You may encounter situations when a block of code needs to be executed several number of times. In general, statements are executed sequentially. The first statement in a function is executed first, followed by the second, and so on. Generally, you may encounter situations when a block of code needs to be executed several number of times. In general, statements are executed sequentially. The first statement in a function is executed first, followed by the second, and so on. Programming languages provide various control structures that allow for more complicated execution paths. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or a group of statements multiple times. Generally, the general form of loop statements in most of the programming languages. Example that a loop statement. Following types of looping statements. Looping statements. The condition, the start arrow mark is started from C programming language provide the different types of loops to handle looping program statements. Loop statements. While loop. A while loop in a C programming repeatedly execute target statement as long as given condition is true. The syntax for loop statement. The syntax for loop statement. While condition colon curly braces started statement colon curly braces code. Here statement yes may be single statement or block of statements. The condition may be any expression and true is any non-zero value. The loop iterates while the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, the program control process to the immediately following the loop. The flow of diagram. The flow diagram as follows. Flow diagram. Condition. The arrow mark started the condition. Condition is two ways. Condition block condition. If condition is true, if condition is false. Here the key point to note is that the while loop might not be executed at all. When the condition tested and the result is false, the loop body will be skipped and the first statement after the while loop will be executed. The condition is true, it is repeated number of times. The key point to note is that the while loop might not execute at all. When the condition is tested and the result is false, the loop body will be skipped and the first statement after the while loop will be executed. The example program for loop. Example program for loop. Hash include stdio.h into main function. Curly braces started. The statements int a is equal to 10 defined. While loop execution. While condition is tested. While a less than 20. the curly braces started, printf value of a percentage d backslash n ended with semicolon comma a plus plus return 0. When the above code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result. What are that result? The result is given up to this way. What are that result in the program? Initially we can define a equal to 10. The condition to be checked, a less than 10. What the a is true, the value to be printed. Then go to the a plus plus. Again a is incremented 1. A plus 1 equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. The value of is equal to 11. Up to next 11. 11 is incremented plus 1. That is what? Up to a less than 20. 19 less than 20. The 19 will be printed. Up to this value to be printed. This way the program to be executed. While statement loop program repeatedly execute target statement as long as given condition is true. Given condition is true. Then we are going to the second loop, for loop. What is a for loop? In for loop, is a repetition control structure that allows you to efficiently write a loop that needs to execute a specific number of times. What is a for loop? A for loop is a repetition control structure that allows you to efficiently write a loop that needs to execute specific number of times. The syntax of loop statement. The syntax for loop statement in programming language: for initialization and semicolon condition, that is a testing, semicolon increment or decrement, curly braces for curly braces started, statement or else statements. Here we have some stepping. What the initialization? The initialization step is executed first and only once. This step allows you to declare and initialize any loop control variables. You are not required to put a statement here as long as semicolon appears. Next, after then go to the condition. The condition is evaluated. If it is true, the body of the loop is executed. If it is false, the body of the loop does not execute, and the flow of control jumps to the next statement just after the for loop. After then we are going to the increment or decrement. Of the body of the for loop execute, the flow of control jumps back to the increment statement. This statement allows you to update any loop control variables. The increment or decrement can be left blank as long as a semicolon appears after the condition. The condition is now evaluated again. If it is true, the loop executed and the process repeats itself. Body of loop, then the increment step, and then again condition. After the condition becomes false, the for loop terminates. The for loop terminates. These are main steps to you are using for loop. Syntax of for loop. Syntax of for loop or flow diagram. For initialization, condition increment, condition control. Initialization, after then condition to be tested in previous statement. Based on condition, if it is true, it is coming increment code of block. Again condition is to be tested. The condition up to true condition. After false, if condition is false, then it is come and skip to the program. This is condition syntax or block diagram of for loop. For initialization, condition colon increment, these two operations performed in for loop. Then we are going to the example program. Dash include stdio data h into main into a. Here a is ended with semicolon. For loop, for a is equal to 10 ended with semicolon, a less than 20, a is equal to a plus 1. For loop over curly brace started. The printf statement within a double quotation value of a colon percentage d ended with backslash n within double quotation closure comma a. Printf statement is over ended with semicolon, curly braces over, return 0. When the above code is compiled and executed, it produces the following results. Similarly, a is 10, a plus a greater than a less than 20, a is equal to a plus 1, a is equal to 10. Okay, a is coming to the next step. 10 less than 20 is true. The statements to be executed. Again, a is equal to a plus 1, a 10 plus 1, that is 11. It is coming to again a less than 20, the 11 less than 20. It is a true. This statement to be executed. The value of a is 11 is printed. Then a is equal to a plus 1. Again a value 11 plus 1 equal to 12. It is coming to the looping. Again it is tested. 12 plus 20 true. Then going to this statement printed. Again 12 is coming to the increment operator. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Again it is coming to the condition, checking condition. 13 less than 20, it is true. This statement to be printed. Printf statement to be executed. Again a is equal to a plus 1. 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Again it is tested. The value 14 less than 20, it is true. This statement to be printed. The value of a equal to 14. Again it is going to the increment operator. 14 equal to 14 plus 1, that is a 15. It is coming to again condition, checking condition. 15 plus 1 less than 20 equal to true. Then it to be printed up to 19. If a 19 18, if you are going to the 18 plus 1 is equal to 19, it is coming to the condition checking. Here the condition is to be checked. 19 plus 19 less than 20, it is true. This statement to be executed, printed. Again a is equal to a plus 1, that is 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. It is coming and checking the true. 20 less than 20, it is false. The condition, the loop statement to be terminated from the loop. This way this statement to be concluded. Then we are going to the next do while statement. Then we are going to the do while statement. What is the do while statement? unlike for and do while loop, which test the loop condition at the top of the loop. In a previous loop, while and for loop, we are executed after then the condition to be tested, which test the loop condition at the top of the loop. For the do while loop in C program checks its condition at the bottom of the loop. What is the main difference in for loop and while loop? Which test the loop condition at the top of the loop. These are checking the condition at the top of the loop. The do while loop in C program checks its condition at the bottom of the loop. A do while loop in C program checks the conditions at the bottom of the loop. A do while loop is similar to a while loop, except that fact that is guaranteed to execute at least 1 year time. Here it is a main advantage is that it is guaranteed to execute of at least one time. This is the main advantages in do while statement. Do while statement. The syntax of do while statement. The syntax of a do while loop in C programming language. What are the syntax? A do while loop is similar to a while loop, except the fact that is guaranteed to execute at least one time. A syntax for a do while statement: do curly braces statements or yes statements, curly braces close, while condition to be checked, condition ended with a semicolon. Nice that the condition expression appears at the end of the top loop, so the statements in the loop execute once before the condition is tested. If the condition is true, the flow of control jumps back up to do, and the statements in the loop execute again. This process repeats until the given condition becomes a false. Here the do while statement, the condition expression appears at the end of the loop, so the statements in the loop execution once before the condition is tested. If the condition is true, the flow of control jumps back up to do, and the statement in the loop execution, this process repeats until they becomes true. The flow diagram do condition statement while condition code block to be executed, then it is going to the condition. If condition is false, if condition checked, then go to the left side. If condition is true, it is going to the code block. Again it is condition to be checked, it is going to left side. Then after then if it is false, it is coming to the terminate the loop. Then we are going to the syntax of simple program of do while statement. What is the simple program? Hash include std/h into main function, local variables declaration, that is comment statement. Into a is equal to 10, you defined a initially is the a value is the 10. Do loop execution. First we are executed the sum statement. Do printf value of a equal to %d \n ended with semicolon colon within a double quotation comma a ended with semicolon. A is equal to a plus 1, while curly brace is over, while condition is here, while a less than 20. and it semicolon return 0. When the above code is compiled and executed, it produces the following results. Similar do statement, initially what is the value a into a equal to 10. They printed the value of a equal to, you can directly printed the value a is equal to 10. After coming, it is going to the a is equal to a plus 1. That the what that a value 10 equal to 10 plus 1. That value is stored in a 11. While condition is coming here 11 less than 20. It is the true. The loop is going to the, again the value of a is printed. That is the value a 11 to be printed. After coming, it is a is equal to a plus 1. What that value a is equal to a plus 1 means 11 is equal to 11 plus 1. That value 11 plus 1 equal to 12. It is stored 12. For coming, it is the while condition. While 12 less than 20, it is a true. Then going to then it is printed. Then again it going to the a is equal to a plus 1. 12 is equal to 12 plus 1, 11. Ended with semicolon. It is 12 plus 1 equal to 13. It is coming to while condition. While a less than 20 means 13 less than 20. It is a true. It is going again. It is printed. Then it is going to the top. 13 equal to 13 plus 1. That is a 14. A stored is a 14. While condition to be checked 14 less than 20. It is also true. It is repeated up to 19. Up to 19. It is repeated to 19. 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. 18 for first we are taking is the 18. 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. It is checked while a less than 20. That means 19 less than 20. It is true. The value of 19 is to be printed. Then coming to the 19 plus 20, a is equal to a plus 1. That means 19 is equal to 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. The while condition to be checked. While 20 less than 20, it is false. The loop is terminated. This way the while statement, do while statement to be executed. Again we are going to the different looping statements. Again we are going to the nested loops. We are going to the nested loops. What are the nested loops? C programming allows to use one loop inside another loop. In this point we are discussed a nested loop. In this one you have a syntaxes. The syntax of nested for loop statements. For initialization, condition, ended with semicolon, increment. The curly braces started from after the for loop. For another for loop started. For initialization, condition, your initialization colon, semicolon, condition, semicolon, increment. For loop is over. Another statement, curly braces started, statements. Again here curly braces closed. Another for loop statements. This syntax nested loop, nested while loop statement in C programming language as follows. Nested for loop in loop. It is another loop within a for loop. It is a nested loop. In while loop you have a nested while loop. While condition, the curly braces started. While condition, curly braces started. Statements of curly braces closed. Statements closed. Another curly brace. You are discussing the syntax nested do while loop statements in a programming languages as follows. Do statements, curly braces started, statements, another do statement, do statements, curly braces closed, while condition, ended with semicolon, curly braces close, while condition to be checked. A final note: looping nested is that you can put any type of loop inside any other type of loop. For example, for loop can be inside while, vice versa. Vice versa. We are discussing some simple example. Nested for loop. Hash include main function, a local variable definition define into I comma j for I is equal to 2, I less than 100 less semicolon I plus plus. The curly braces started for j is equal to 2, j less than equal to I by j, ended semicolon j plus plus. If I percentage j break if factor found not a prime. If j less than greater than I by j, printf within double quotation percentage d is a prime backslash n under semicolon comma I printf statement ended with semicolon curly braces close, return 0. When the above code is compiled and executed, the following values to be executed. It is finding all prime numbers. In this way, the for looping statements to be executed. In this one, we have a very important point: difference between while loop and for loop. It is very important. The main difference a while loop and do while loop is that while loop check condition before iteration of the loop. On the other hand, the do while loop verifies the condition of the execution of the statements inside the loop. It is a very important condition. This one. While loop is control flow statement that allows a code to be executed repeatedly based on a given Boolean condition. The while loop can be thought as a repeating statement. In the while loop statement, the do while loop is similar to while loop with only difference that it is checked for the condition after the execution of the statement. Therefore, it is an example of exit control loop. It is an example of exit control loop. These are here some differences is there. Condition in while loop, condition is checked the first, then statement is executed. In do while loop, statements is executed at least once, thereafter condition is checked. It might occurs in while loop, statement is executed 0 times if condition is false. In do while loop, at least one the statement is executed. No semicolons at the end of while statement in while statement. A semicolon at the end of while conditions. If there is a single statement, brackets are not required. Brackets are always required. Variable in condition is initialized before the execution loop. Variable may be initialized before or within the loop. While loop is entry control loop. do while loop is exit control loop. While condition statements while condition of the curly brace is started, statements under the semicolon, curly brace is closed.